Hey, it's Nick, and today we're braising short ribs. First, season your short ribs all over with lots of salt and pepper. There are a lot of sides to season, and make sure you get all of them. Now heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large Dutch oven. Once it's hot, go ahead and sear the short ribs on all sides. Let's listen to that sear. Love that sound. I think braising is the best way to cook short ribs. It creates a super flavorful meal with an amazing sauce. You can also bake short ribs or put them in a slow cooker or Instant Pot. We used English cut short ribs in this recipe. They're the nice cubes. I think they work better than barbecue cut short ribs or long strips for braising. Once your ribs are seared, remove them from the pot and set them aside. Now's the time to add vegetables. We're going to put in onion, celery, and carrot. This is a classic mirepoix and adds tremendous flavor to the sauce. I season these with salt, pepper, and tomato paste to add more flavor, and cook until they start to soften. Once the veggies start getting soft, add in minced garlic because we don't want that to cook too long, and then finish cooking until everything is soft. Pour in red wine, return the short ribs to a pot. Then, once you've got your short ribs in, add beef broth to get the liquid level up to the point where it just about covers the short ribs. Add in fresh herbs like thyme and bay leaves and bring the mixture to a simmer. Once it's simmering, cover and put in the oven to bake for about 2.5 hours at 350 degrees. Once the ribs are tender but not falling apart, remove from the oven. Take and set the ribs aside and cover them to keep them warm. Remove the herbs, and this is what I like to do. Add in a bunch of flour and blend the sauce together. It'll make a nice thick, flavorful sauce to serve on the top. You can't skip this step. Serve these beautifully braised short ribs over mashed potatoes with the pan sauce. It's really yummy. Garnish with fresh herbs to brighten up the flavor. This is the way I enjoy my braised short ribs. Have to cut them with a knife, but once they're cut, tender and delicious. Enjoy.